Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Start by opening the glove box and releasing the dampers so it drops down. Remove the cabin filter, cover clips, and slide out the old filter carefully to avoid dust. Inspect the housing and vacuum if needed. Insert the new filter with airflow arrows pointing inward, then reassemble the cover and glove box. Prepare your workspace and tools before you begin, keeping parts organized and within reach for an efficient swap. Turn off the vehicle and open the glove box fully, releasing any catches that hold it in place. Keep a small container for screws so nothing goes missing, and use a flashlight to inspect the housing and filter orientation clearly. A quick vacuum makes reinstallation cleaner and prevents debris from entering vents. Quick recommendation: grab a durable water bottle to stay hydrated during hands-on jobs and keep breaks quick and efficient. I like the Oala water bottle for its leak-proof lid and easy one-handed use, which is great when you're under the glove box with tools in hand. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if this video is helpful. Now let's get back to the video. After you unclip the housing cover, remove the old filter slowly to avoid spreading dust into the cabin. Check the filter slots and clean any loose debris with a soft brush or vacuum nozzle. Align the replacement filter with the airflow arrows pointing inward toward the heater core, then slide it securely into place. Reattach the housing cover, lift the glove box back into position, and check that dampers and latches function smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.